Hello everyone and welcome to GEOG 5301 course Remote Sensing of Environment. So my name is Nusrat Jahan and I am currently an English student and teaching assistant in the Department of Geosciences here at Texas Tech University. I am majoring in Geography and Environment and I will be assisting in this course throughout the semester. So in the next few slides, I would like to introduce myself both professionally and personally so you can get to know me a bit better. A bit about my academic background. I am currently serving as a teaching assistant in the Department of Geosciences at Texas Tech, and before to this, I completed both my BSc and MSc in Geography and Environment from Jahangirnagar University in Bangladesh. My research interests revolve around GIS, remote sensing, climate studies, coastal regions, and agricultural applications. I have been fortunate to work on projects involving satellite image analysis and environmental monitoring, which I believe ties directly into the themes of this course. As a teacher and a learner, I believe in making complex concepts simple and accessible. My teaching approach focuses on breaking down complicated ideas into manageable pieces. I strongly encourage interactive learning and open discussion, as I think students learn best when they are actively engaged. I also try to link theory to real-world geographic applications, especially when working with spatial data and satellite imagery. So, I'm from Bangladesh and I am passionate about cultural exchange and global education. And outside of my academics, I really enjoy cycling, cooking and reading, especially non-fiction and books related to geography and world issues. Living and studying in a diverse environments has shaped my worldview, and I always enjoy connecting with students from different backgrounds. In this course, you can expect a well-structured experience that helps you stay on track each week. I'll be guiding you through clearly organized weekly modules filled with meaningful content designed to build your understanding step by step. I will also provide timely and helpful feedback on your assignments, so you know where you are doing well and where you can improve. I aim to create a supportive environment where asking questions is encouraged and every student feels comfortable engaging with the material. The course is also designed to be flexible and student-centered, so if something isn't working for you, feel free to reach out. Most importantly, I want you to see how the topics we cover connect to real-world issues and applications, whether it's in climate, remote sensing, or spatial analysis. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this introduction. I'm really looking forward to getting to know each of you and working together throughout the semester. Please don't hesitate to contact me via Canvas inbox or email if you ever have a question or need support. Wishing you all the successful and encouraging semester ahead.